To change the size of your Google Slides, you want to go to File and choose Page Setup. The default is the widescreen 16:9. If you click on this drop-down arrow, you'll see you have additional options. I like to choose Custom quite often and then choose the exact size I want. So for example, if I'm doing a certificate, I like to make it 11 by 8.5 because that's the size of my certificate page. This is in inches, but if you click on this drop down arrow, you'll see you'll have different options of centimeters, points, and pixels. I use pixels quite often too when I'm making something a specific size for like a website. So once you've chosen your side, then you click Apply. And you'll see this will now resize your slide to the size that you want. This has a landscape option to it. If you wanted it to be more like a portrait, like a document, when you come into your page setup, you would change this to 8.5 by 11. Keep in mind, I'll see people do this a lot, but it does make it harder for people to preview these items because you're losing a lot of the screen space for a typical screen that is wider versus taller in height. So I'm going to go ahead and change mine back because I am doing a landscape certificate. So that is how you would change the page size of your Google Slides.